In this video, we will be swimming in the lagoon and snorkel under the sea in Phi Phi Islands. Let us continue our adventure in the second episode of our boat tour series. Let's go!
Off we go! Thank you. So, apparently there is an advantage of coming as an early bird. This is amazing. Nothing else to say. So we made it to the end of the bay, or lagoon it is, right? And now I guess we will be parking in one of those spots. You can see that people are swimming over there. So the water is clear. No sharks. Fish, turtle, anything. But it's getting warm, so in a way it's kind of good to go down to the water.
The system is quite good.
Yeah,
You have a
well,
separate area where boats don't enter. It's clearly marked. Quite nice though.
quite safe, yeah.
Other areas in the world are not like this. I'll take some. It's nice.
And it's really nice lagoon and everything. Yeah.
Mamma, vedi la medusa?
Oh, it's good feeling into the water. Nice vibes. I love this trip. Honestly.
Why? Lagoon time.
Lagoon time. Nice. I like it. Woohoo!
Another day in paradise.
Yeah, that's for sure. stopped for snorkeling. Some people are jumping from the boat, but we are not those type of brave people. Yeah, okay. I did it!
Very beautiful snorkeling in Phi Phi Islands. Nature is amazing, lots of fish.
Yeah, nice corals. So there is one more thing that we wanted to share, that by chance we actually chose the front seat in the boat, and it was the best choice and sitting area, because you really feel windy, you don't feel that hot. Of course you need to put some cream on you, and sometimes maybe hat, but it can be taken away by heat. But it's really like showing this place, like this is really the open space. The open space that makes sense to choose, because inside it's also comfortable, but it's a bit more warm. So yeah, choose your way, but that was ours and it was the best.
And that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed it. In the next episode we are heading to new islands with an amazing lunch. Follow us and see you in the next video.